Now we have the login page. In there, the get action method is working successfully, and we have the login page that we saw. When you enter anything in the login page and if you submit that, it will not work because we do not have any post action method for login. We will work on that in the later videos. Right now, I want to change our focus from login to registration. So what will be all the properties that we will need when we are registering a user? We will require name, email, password, as well as what role that user should be assigned. So first, let me create a view model for our register page. So in the view models, add a new class file, and I will call this register view model. Here, let me write all the properties that we will require. First will be name of the user. Next will be a string of email. Then we will have string for password. And we will have string for confirm password. Last property that we will require is the role name. So we'll say prop string role name. Now for each one of this, I want to add few data annotation. So first one here will be the name is a required property. Let me do control dot here, and we'll include the data annotation. Next, email will be required as well, and it will be of type email address. We have password, which will be required, and I will add a custom validation that string length can be up to 100 characters, but it should be minimum 6 character long. Now with confirm password, we also want that it should match with the password that we have on the top. For that, we have a data annotation, which is compare, and we have to write the name that it has to be compared to, which is password. So it will make sure that confirm password and password, both of them must have the same values. If not, it will display the error message, the password and confirm password do not match. Right here, I also want to give them a data type, which is data type.password. Let me copy this for password as well. There we go. Now name for password is valid, but for confirm password, I want to add a space when I display. So I can add the display property and we'll say name is equal to confirm password. Lastly, we have the role. Let me copy display attribute here, paste it. We will just display as role, or let me call it role name with a required property. With this, our register view model looks good. In the next video, let's consume this view model.